Hi everybody. Today we are going to solve the problems from exercise 1.3 in first chapter. So in exercise 1.3 first problem is visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. So what we have to visualize? Visualize 2.874 by successive magnification method. To visualize this, first of all we have to draw a number line. Okay, in this we have 0, left side we have negative integers, so right side we have positive integers 1, so this is 1, 2 and 3. So our number is 2.874. 2 point something means it should be lies between 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3 we can divide into 10 parts. This is 2 means 2.0. It is 2.0 and it is 3.0. In between we can write 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3.0. After 2.9 we will have 3, that is 3.0. So but our number is 2.87. 87 means it lies between 8 and 9. So here 87, it will come after 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. That means it is 2.8. 8 means 2.80. 2.80. 80 after we will get 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then 2.9. 2.89 after we will get 2.9. 2.9 means 90. This is 2.9. Okay, so in between these two we will get this all. In between these two we can see this all. To visualize this we have to enlarge this unit. Okay, so to enlarge that, drawing another number line. This is number line. So we are enlarging 2.8 in between these two, 2.8 and 9. So okay, this is 2.8, 2.9. ఓకే, సో దీన్ని ఈ మధ్యలో 2.8, 2.9 మధ్యలో పెద్దగా చేస్తున్నాం. దాన్ని పెద్దగా చూస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, దాని మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయి కనిపిస్తాయి. మనం అట్లా సెల్ ఫోన్లో మనం ఎన్లార్జ్ చేస్తే ఎలా కనిపిస్తుందో ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం పెద్దగా చేసి చూపిస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 2.8. 2.8 means 2.80. సో 2.81, 2.82. This is 2.83, 2.84, 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89 and it is 2.90. So here again our number is 2.874. 874. So here we have 87 and 88. This number is slightly between again 2.87 and 2.88. So let us see that number 2.87. So here 2.87 and lies between 2.88. So here this is 2.87 and it is 2.88. By enlarging, దీన్ని పెద్దగా చేస్తే దీని మధ్యలో ఉన్న 10 పార్ట్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి మనకు. అవేంటి అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ 2.870. ఇక్కడ ఎలా అయితే 2.8 అంటే 2.80 ఎలా అనుకున్నామో ఇది 2.870. After this you will get 2.871, 2.872, 2.873, 2.874, 2.875, 2.876, 2.877, 2.878, 2.879. After this you'll get 2.87 after 88, that is 880. Okay. So here what is our number? 2.874. Where is 2.874? This is 2.874. Okay, like this you can visualize any number. So this is a visualization by successive magnification method. So next question is visualize 5.28 bar on the number line by successive magnification method. So this we can write as 5.28, 28, 28 and so on, but we need to visualize up to 3 digits, 282. So first of all you have to write same here. Left side we will have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Suppose this is 4 and it is 5 and it is 6. Left side we can write 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. So this is 6, 7. So here 5.28 is lies between 5 and 6. In between we have 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 like that. This is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 up to 5.9, 6. Then 5.28 is lies between 5.2 and 5.3. In between these two we will have 5.21, 5.22, 5.33 like this up to 5.29. Again enlarging you can get this. That you have to do your own. So దీన్ని మళ్ళొక్కసారి చూసి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. మరొకసారి దీన్ని చూసి అర్థం చేసుకొని దీన్ని మీరు ఓన్గా చేయండి. మీకు ఇంకా పూర్తిగా అర్థమవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.